me to give her my old bike so she could ride it to work, which I did, and then I got scared.
Scared because large cities are not always a safe place to ride a bike.
You have to slalom your way between potholes the size of a truck.
And urban drivers are not always the most patient or diplomat citizens.
So I started asking myself, how could I make this better for her? And I made a list of all the basic specifications that a perfect urban mobility system would need to meet.
You need maneuverability, which means a short wheelbase and a steep head tube to reduce your turning radius so you can manage extremely tight corners. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way. A small motorized rear wheel to increase acceleration and climb steeper roads. You should be standing in an upright position. Because there is a lot going on in the city, you need to keep an eye on your surroundings and be able to get on and off very easily. It needs to be simple, easy to use, intuitive, and almost maintenance-free. After months of brainstorming, the basic idea of the Sneaky Bike was born. A vintage concept with a modern twist. A lot of sweat and tears later, with many talented people who joined the project.
We ended up with an amazing product.
And now with your help, the Sneaky Bike could be a game changer.
Let's start with the controls. Just like on a traditional bike, the gearing and brakes can be found on the handlebars. Elliptical bikes also have adjustable strides and handlebars, which can be individually fit to a variety of rider profiles. To prepare for your ride, take the bike off the kickstand and place your foot on the platform, moving it into the forward position. You'll also want to make sure you are in a mid-range gear, providing moderate resistance for takeoff. Now, to gain momentum, you can either push off with your foot that is on the ground while pushing down with the foot that is on the platform, or, if necessary, you can hop a couple times to gain momentum before fully stepping up onto the bike. Once you have gained momentum, begin pedaling and shift up into a higher gear as your speed builds. Elliptical long stride bikes use an elongated elliptical motion that engages your quads, glutes, and hamstrings as you push down and back through the platform. The Arc, however, uses a more compact stride with greater vertical motion. It also has a pivoting foot platform that helps generate power and efficiency throughout the pedal stroke. If at any point during your ride you simply want to coast, we recommend maintaining a level stance with your feet in the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. As you ride, be sure to focus on proper form. Don't hunch over the handlebars or squat in a seated position. Stand up and ride tall. Once you've ridden around the area a few times and are ready to stop, squeeze both brakes gently, pick one foot up, hang it to the side, and step straight down when the momentum slows. Remember, it's a bit further of a drop than you think, so shift your weight to the side of your free foot before you come to a complete stop. You should practice starting, riding, and stopping several times until you feel comfortable before hitting the road. Upon first attempt, the elliptical cycling motion may feel different from anything you have tried before. Because it is. That's okay. The learning curve is quick. If test riding a long stride model, some find it helpful to start on a stationary trainer in order to learn the motion before moving outside. For more tips on riding technique, please visit the support section on our website. Enjoy the ride, and we'll see you on the road.